Hello students, namaste and welcome. I hope you all are well and you are preparing for your exam in a very well manner. From today only we are going to start, or I am very happy to announce that from today we are going to start live RRB NTPC test analysis in English medium, right? So questions will be in English, explanation will also be in English, each and everything will be in English. So many congratulations for the English medium students. So Oliveboard has taken the initiative. The live RRB NTPC mock test will be analysis in English, right? So on Wednesday, or we can say every Wednesday at 4 p.m. I will be discussing live RRB NTPC mock analysis for quant section, right? So first question is on your screen. Guys, tell me what will be the answer of this question. Now the question is, if cos square theta plus 1 is equal to 7 cos theta, then what is the value of cos cube theta plus sec cube theta plus cos square 0 degree? Now tell me what will be the answer of this question. If you focus on the question, you will find it very typical, or we can say you will find it very complex, because here a condition is being applied. So you know, mostly algebra question, or we can say mostly trigo question, or we can say mostly advanced question depend on one or two conditions, right? If you know that particular condition, only in that case you will be able to answer that question. Otherwise you are lacking behind. So don't hesitate. I am here to tell you, to support you, how to calculate this question, right? How to get the answer of this question. Yes, please. See, here we are given cos square theta plus 1 is equal to 7 cos theta. See, cos square theta plus 1 is equal to 7 cos theta, right? If we divide both sides by cos theta, then we will get cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta is equal to 7. So here we get the structure function and inverse function pair, right? So we know x plus 1 upon x is equal to k. Then we can easily calculate the value of x cube power cube plus 1 upon x cube. This will be equal to k cube minus 3k, right? This is very much clear to you. Here we know that the cos is inversely proportional to sec, means sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, right? 1 upon cos theta, right? So we can write this cos cube theta plus 1 upon cos cube theta plus cos square 0 degree, right? Yes or no? So here we know that if we know the value of this function, we can calculate the value of this. So here we know cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta is equal to 7. Then the value of cos cube theta plus 1 upon cos cube theta, this would be equal to 7 cube minus 3 into 7 plus, we know very well cos 0 is equal to 1, square of 1 will be 1. So the answer will be cos cube is equal to 343 minus 21 plus 1. So this would be equal to 323, right? So 323 would be the right answer. Yes, 323 would be the right answer. Okay, yes, 323 would be the right answer. So B part is the right answer. Moving to the next question. Now tell me, What is the answer of this question? Question is on your screen. Please read it and solve it properly. Yes, please. See, the question is saying pipe A can fill a tank in 24 minutes and pipe B can empty the whole tank in 96 minutes. Find the time taken to fill the tank when both pipes are open together. So if we are given two pipes, one is going to fill the tank, another is going to empty the tank. How we can calculate? So here is a shortcut. We can calculate it through this shortcut. Short trick is the time of A multiplied by time of B, and we take the difference of both time, right? So directly we can get the time. So the answer would be 24 into 96 divided by 96 minus 24. So this would be equal to 96 minus 24. So this would be equal to 72, right? 24 3 ja 72 and 96 divided by 3, we will get 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6. So answer will be 32 minutes, right? If we calculate it conceptually, so we can calculate it through the LCM approach, right? So we know that pipe A can fill the tank in 24 minutes, whereas pipe B can empty the tank in 96 minutes, right? If a pipe is emptying the tank, it means its efficiency is negative, so we take negative sign. Now we have to calculate we have to take the LCM of total time. We know that the LCM of 24 or 96 will be 96, and this would be known as total capacity. If the capacity of the tank is 96 liter unit pani can be filled by a pipe in 24 minutes, then what would be the efficiency? Efficiency is the work done in a unit of time, or we can say water filled or emptied in a 1 unit of time, right? So 96 divided by 24, we will get 4, right? So the efficiency of pipe A is 4, and 96 divided by 96, so the efficiency of pipe B will be -1. So we have to open the both pipe together, so the efficiency of both pipe together will be 3. So what will be the time? 96 divided by 3, so the answer will be 32 minutes, right? So choice is yours. If you know the shortcut, you can calculate it through the shortcut. If you don't know the shortcut, you can calculate it through the concept. I have already told you both, right? So moving to the next question. Now the next question is question number 8. Tell me what would be the answer of this question. Yes, please, everyone. Here the question is saying ratio of speed of bike to car is 5:9. Bike can cover 800 km in 16 hours. Find the time taken by bike and car to cross each other when they are 560 km apart while traveling in opposite direction. Here the concept of relative speed we have to apply. Yes, please tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. Question is saying the ratio of speed of bike and car is 5:9. Bike can cover 800 km in 16 hours. It means we can calculate the speed of bike. Speed of bike, we know that speed is equal to distance divided by time. Here the distance is 800. Bike is covering 800 km in 16 hours. So the its speed would be 800 divided by 16. 16 divided, when we divide 800 by 16, we will get 18, 16 5s are 80, right? So we will get 50 km per hour. So the speed of bike would be 50 km per hour. It means 5 unit is equal to 50. So this would be 10 times. So the speed of car would be equal to 90 km per hour, right? So the speed of car would be 90 km per hour. Question is saying the time taken by bike and car to cross each other, means bike is here and car is here, and distance between both is 560, right? Both are moving towards each other. It means they are moving in opposite direction. So the relative speed would be sum of both, right? So here the time would be equal to 560 divided by 50 plus 90, right? So this would be equal to 560 divided by 140. 0 cancel 0. 14 4 ja 56. So 4 hours is the right answer. A part would be the right answer. Yes, A part would be the right answer. So moving to the next question. Question number 9. Tell me what would be the answer of this question. Yes, please. So this question belongs to the algebra. Now tell me what would be the answer of this question. Whenever you come across with such kind of questions, now you can take the approach of value putting, right? So you can solve these type of questions through the value putting approach. You know what is value putting approach? We are given A plus B plus C is equal to 0. A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So we have to take the value which can satisfy this condition, right? So A plus B plus C is equal to 0, and while taking the value or putting the value, we must know that, and we should avoid the form of 0 by 0 and any number by 0, right? And 0 into 0. Such form should not generate while we are taking any value, right? So here we can take, if we take the value of A is 1, B is 1, so the value of C would be minus 2, right? So putting the value A, B and C, right, in the given expression, we will get 1 minus 2. So minus 1 square, this would be 1. 1 divided by 1 plus here minus 2 plus 1. Again minus 1 square, 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2. 2 square, 4. 4 divided by minus 2. So we will get 1 plus 1 minus 2. So the answer would be 0, right? So 0 would be the right answer. This is very good approach. Through the value putting approach, we can solve maximum questions of the algebra. We need not to apply the basic concept, because if we go through the basic concept, it is too cumbersome and it will consume most of the time, right? And it will also mount the pressure. So moving to the next question. Next question is on your screen. Yes, please tell me what would be the answer for this question. This question is saying which of the following two values are equal, right? So we have to check the which of two are equal, right? So this is to normal simplification question. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question, right? If we solve 2.4 plus 5.2 into 2.8, now tell me what we will get. So you will say that we will get 16.96, right? So here we will get 16.96, right? So how much we will get in second part? So we will get, yes, 12 point, yes, tell me, 12.8, right? So here we will get 12.8, here we will get 12.8, right? After solving this, right? So the B and C are equal. So part B and C are equal. So D part is the right answer. D part is the right answer. Moving to the next question. Next question is, yes, please tell me what would be the answer of this question. Again, very good question in front of you. This question belongs to the income and expenditure part, right? So we can say this question belongs to percentage chapter. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please take your time, answer please. Here the question is saying, if monthly income of a person is increased by 20% and his expenditure increased by 40%, then his saving are decreased by what percent? Then what will be the change in its saving if the ratio of income and expenditure is 4:3? If we are given the ratio of income and expenditure, so we can let the income is 400, right, and the expenditure is 300. So how much would be the saving? 400 is the income, 300 is the expenditure. So in that case, saving would become 100, right? We know that saving is equal to income minus expenditure. 400 minus 300, we would get 100, right? So the question is saying, if income is increased by 20%, so how much is the 20% of 400? So 20% of 400, so this would be equal to 80, right? So our income is increased by 80 and expenditure is increased by 40%. So we have to calculate the 40% of 300. So 1% of 300 is 3. 40%, this would be equal to 4 into 3. So this would be equal to 120, right? So here my income is increased by 80. It means I am getting in my pocket 80 rupees more, right? 80 rupee more is going to be in my pocket. But when we see on the expenditure part, 120 rupees is going out from the pocket. It means 40 rupees extra. It means 40 rupees extra is going out from my pocket. It means 40 rupees my saving is getting down, right? So there is a decrease in saving by 40 over 100, right? So this would be 40% decrease in its saving, right? So saving would be decreased by 40%. So 40% is the right answer. Yes, is this clear, guys? Should I move ahead? Yes, please. Tell me, should I go ahead? Yes. So next question is on your screen. Tell me what would be the answer of this question. So this is very good question and belong to the geometry section, right? So please tell me, everyone know the alternate segment theorem? Yes or no? The angle made between the chord and tangent is always equal to the angle subtended by that chord in the alternate segment. Means we must know in a circle this is the tangent, right? If we draw a chord from this tangent point, so the angle made by this chord and tangent is always equal to the angle made by the chord in the alternate segment. It means this is theta, so this will also be theta. This is known to you all, yes or no? So here the question is saying, in the given figure, angle BCE is equal to 46 degree. BCE is equal to 46 degree and CBA is equal to 44. CBA, see, CBA, this is equal to 44 degree, right? And this will be equal to 46 degree, right? Is this equal? Yes or no? So the angle ACB would be equal to 180 minus 46 plus 44. So this would be equal to 90 degree, right? So here we can say that the angle of ACD would be equal to so this angle would be equal to 44 degree, right? Again, the tangent and chord, angle made by the tangent and chord will be equal to the angle subtended by the same chord in the alternate segment. So this angle would be equal to this angle would be equal to this. Is this clear? So this angle is alpha, so this would be also alpha. Is this clear? So this would be equal to 44 degree. So we can say that the answer would be 90 degree and 44 degree. So 90 degree and 44 degree, option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. This is not visual? Yes. See. So this is the right answer. Got the point? Yes or no? I am explaining it again. This is the circle. This is the tangent, right? So there are two chords. One is this side C and B, right? And one is this side C. this angle is 46 degree, so this would be equal to 46 degree, right? And this is 44, so this would also be 44, right? So this angle would be 90 degree. Is this clear? So the answer would be 90 degree and 44 degree. Okay, yes please. So moving to the next question. Question number next. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. See, a discount of 30% on one article is same as a discount of 35% on another article. Here the value of discount is equal and this discount is given on two articles, right? One is 30% of the one article, so we can say that 30% of MRP1. MRP1 is equal to 35%. Another article means MRP2, right? So the answer question is asking mark price of the two article can be. So the answer is asking what can be the possible MRP value. So here we can get the ratio of MRP1 and MRP2, right? So here we will get by 5% this would be cancelled 6 times and this would be cancelled 7 times. So the ratio would be 7:6, right? So the ratio would be 7:6. Now we have to check which option is providing the ratio 7:6. If we check out, so we can say that option C, yes, option C would give the 6:7. We can also check it through the divisibility rule of 7. This is not this divisible by 7. Yes, this is also not divisible by 7. This is divisible by 7, right? Is this okay? Yes or no? Got the point? Yes or no? So here we will get yes, right? Tell me, is this very much okay? So moving to the next question. Next question is question number 35, right? Yes, tell me, what would be the answer of this question? What would be the answer of this question? Yes, please. See, question is saying the circumference of a circle is 968 if the side of the equilateral triangle is equal to the radius of the circle. See, the side of a equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Let's say this is A and this is equal to the radius of the circle, right? Then find the area of the equilateral triangle. So we know that the circumference of the circle, what is the circumference? Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Yes or no? So we can say that 2 pi r, 2 into 22 divided by 7 into r. So this would be equal to 968. Yes or no? So we can solve it. So we will get r would be equal to 154, right? So the value of r we will get 154. We know very well the area of equilateral triangle is equal to √3 upon 4 into side square, right? So we can put the value of side as 154. So the answer would be root 3 divided by 4 into 154 into 154. Now tell me what would be the right answer. So the answer would be A part 5929 root 3 would be the right answer. Yes. So this would be the right answer. Okay. So moving to the next question. Question number 39. Tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. Tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please, everyone. See, question is saying using cos A plus B is equal to cos A plus cos B divided by 1 plus cos A cos B. So we have to use this, right? We have to use this expression and we have to find the value of cos 75. So we can split 75 in 40, 45 plus 30, or we can say 30 plus 45, right? We can take either of one. So if we are putting A is equal to 45 and B is equal to 30, so we will get cos 45 plus cos 30 divided by 1 plus cos 45 into cos 30. We know the value of cos 45. This is equal to 1 upon root 2 plus, and cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, right? Divided by 1 plus 1 upon root 2 into root 3 by 2, right? So this would be equal to 2 plus root 6 divided by 2 root 2 upon 2 root 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 3. 2 root 2 would be cancelled out by 2 root 2. So here we will get 2 root 6 divided by 2 root 2 plus root 3. So see the option. No option is matching with this. So now we have to closely observe the option part, right? So here in the denominator we are having 4 plus root 6, 5 plus root 6, right? So we have to get root 6 anyhow. So we will multiply by root 2 in the numerator and denominator both. So we will get, after multiplying root 2, so we will get 2 root 2 and root 2 will be common, right? So we will get 2 bracket root 2 plus root 3. 2 will be the common. After multiplying root 2 we will get 4 plus root 6, right? So see which option is matching. So option B is matching, right? So option B is the right answer. See, option B is the right answer. Yes, option B is the right answer. So moving to the next question. Next question is on your screen. Now tell me what would be the answer of this. If x plus 3, x minus 1 are the factors of 2x cube plus ax square minus bx minus 4, then find the ratio of a and a upon b. You have to calculate the ratio of a upon b. See, if we are given factor of any equation, it means we can put that factor is equal to 0, then we will get the value of x. When we put the value of x in that particular equation, the remainder will be 0, because when we divide any number by a factor, the remainder is 0. Suppose if we divide 12 by 3, 3 is the factor of 12. So we will get how much remainder? So you will say that if we divide 12 by 3, we will get 0 as a remainder. Likewise, here the factors of this given expression are x plus 3 are the factor. So put x plus 3 is equal to 0, we will get x is equal to minus 3. If we put the value of x minus 3, then the remainder must be 0. So we will get 2 minus 3 ka cube plus a minus 3 square minus b minus 3 minus 4. This would be equal to 0. So here we will get minus 3 ka cube minus 27 into 2. So this would be minus 54 and minus 3. So square of any negative value will be the positive, you know very well. So this would be equal to 9a, right? And minus b into minus 3. So this would be equal to plus 3b minus 4 is equal to 0, right? So here we will get 9a plus 3b would be equal to 58, right? And if we put x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, then we will get 2 1 ka cube plus a into 1 cube minus b into 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. So here we will get 2 plus a minus b minus 4 is equal to 0. So a minus b would be equal to 2, right? So the value of a minus b would be equal to 2, right? So we have to put the value, we have to calculate the value of a and b. So if we multiply by 3 in this equation, we will get 3a minus 3b is equal to 6. So we subtract this equation from this equation, right? So we will get, if we subtract 3 minus a, 3a minus 3b is equal to 6 from this equation, so we will get 3a minus 3b plus 6. If we add both the equation, 3b would be cancelled out. So we will get 12a would be equal to 58 plus 6. So this would be equal to 64, right? So a would be equal to 64 divided by 12, right? So we will get the value of a. Here we will get 16 divided by 3. So the value of a would be 16 divided by 3, and the value of b we will get from here. So the value of 16 minus 3 minus 2 would be equal to b. The value of b would be equal to 3 into 2 6. So this would be 10 divided by 3. So we have to calculate a by b, right? We have to calculate a by b. So 16 divided by 3 divided by 10 divided by 3. 3 would be cancelled out. So the answer would be 8 by 5. 8 is to 5 is the right answer. So D part would be the right answer. Yes, D part would be the right answer. Is this okay? Check it. So D part would be the right answer. So moving to the next question. Yes, please. Moving to the next question. Yes, tell me, what will be the answer for this question? So this is again very simple question of simplification. We know that the square root of 676. So this is the square root of 26, and this is the square root of 12, and this is the square root of 18, and this is the square root of 14. After solving this, we will get, so B part is the right answer. Yes, yes, B part is the right answer. We will get P is equal to minus 94. See, so moving to the next question. Yes, tell me what would be the answer for this question. Here the question is saying the number of books sold by Ramu in June is 25% more than the number of books sold by him in February, right? See the question, right? So here we are given the data of Ramu and Manu. Yes. So we can see that. So we will calculate number of books sold by Ramu from the graph. So this would be 620, and the number of books sold by Ramu in June. So this would be 620 multiplied by 125%. So this would be equal 775, right? So the number of books sold by Manu in April, this would be 550. So the required percentage is 775 divided by 440 into 100. So the answer would be 176%. Yes, C part would be the right answer. C part would be the right answer. So moving to the next question. Yes, tell me what would be the answer. So this question belongs to the static part, right? Statistics. So we know that how to calculate the median. Just calculate the, yes, give me what would be the answer of this question. Here the question is saying, if median of the observations 13, 6, 6 plus 9, 57, 61, 77, which are arranged in increasing orders. See, they are already in ascending order, right? So we need not to put them in ascending order. They are already in ascending order. Now we have to check how many observations are here. So if we check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here are 6 observations. We know that if we have even number of observation, in that case median would be, so n divided by 2 term plus n plus 2 divided by 2th term is divided by 2. So here n is equal to 6. We put n is equal to 6. 6 plus 2. So this would be equal to 3rd term plus 4th term divided by 2. So this would be equal to median, right? So here median is 42.5. So we can say that the 3rd term and 4th term is x plus 9 plus 57 divided by 2. So this would be equal to 42.5, right? So the value of x would be 2 into 42.5. So this would be equal to 85 minus 9 plus 57. So this would be equal to 66. So the value of x would get, value of x would be 85 minus 66. So this would be equal to, right, 19. So the value of x would be 19, right? Now the question is asking, find the mean of the above observation. What is the mean? The sum of all values divided by the number of observation. So this would be equal 13 plus 19 plus 19 plus 9. So this would become 28 plus 57 plus 61, 77 divided by 6. After solving this, we will get again 42.5, and 42.5 would be the right answer. So C part would be the right answer. Yes, C part would be the right answer. So moving to the next question. Tell me what would be the right answer for this question. Yes, please. So this question belongs to probability part. 2 cards are drawn one by one without replacement from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Means we are drawing without replacement, right? So find the probability of getting a face card. We have to calculate what is the probability of face card. See, 2 cards are drawn one by one without replacement, right? Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. The probability that getting a face card. Yes, yes, please. What would be the answer of this question? 2 cards are drawn one by one without replacement from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a face card. What is the probability of face card? Could you tell me what is the face card? Yes, please. See, So the face card is king, queen and jack. So in one suit we have only 3 face card, right? So there are 4 suits, so total face card would be equal to 3 into 4. So we have in total 12 face card, right? So we have 12 face card. See the solution part, right? So the answer would be, so we have to calculate 12C2 divided by 52C2. So the answer would be equal to 11 by 221, right? So moving to the next question. Yes, find the dividend if divisor is x square plus 9, quotient is x plus 7 and remainder is. So we know that what is dividend, divisor. So here this is divisor, this is dividend and this is quotient and this is remainder. So if we have to calculate dividend, right? If we have to calculate dividend, so dividend is always equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we have to do x square plus 9 into x plus 7 and plus 2x minus 3. So after solving this we will get this part, right? So C part is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Okay, so moving to the next question. Yes, tell me what is the answer for this question. A sum of money invested for 2 years at 10% rate of simple interest amount to rupees 6,000, right? Find the amount obtained on the same sum at the same rate of interest compounded annually after 2 years, right? Now tell me what would be the answer. A sum of money invested for 2 years at 10% rate of simple interest amount to. So we are given amount. Amount means simple interest plus principal, right? So we know that principal plus simple interest is equal to, right? So principal plus PRT upon 100. So this is amount, yes or no? Yes or no? So we can say that 6,000 is equal to P plus P into R is 10 and T is 2 divided by 100, 0, 0. So this is equal to 6,000 into 10 plus 12P, right? So 12 5s are 60. So principal would be equal to 5,000. Principal would be equal to 5,000. So we have to calculate the compound interest for the same time at the same rate. So we can apply the ratio approach. So whenever we are given rate percent, right? So we have to convert it into the fraction. So this would be equal to 1 upon 10. 10 is known as principal and this is interest. So for 1 year the ratio would be 10 is to 11. So we have to calculate for 2 years, we will make square, right? So the principal would be 100 and the amount would be 121. So the compound interest would be 21. Now we have to calculate the amount, right? So we can say that 100 is equal to 5,000. So this is 50 times. So the answer would also be 50 times. So the amount would be 0, 5 1 ja 5, 12 5 ja 60, 6050 is the right answer. 6050 is the right answer. So B part is the right answer. Yes, B part is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Yes. Okay, sir. Okay, dear. Actually, maximum students have already taken the test on Sunday. ठीक है ना? So this test is going to be public, or we can say become public on every Sunday, and we provide the solution in Hindi. We provide the solution on Monday and in English you get the solution on Wednesday. So this is the mock test which has already taken by the students, because this mock test had been published on Sunday, right? So if you need time, I'll give you the time, right? So next question is question number 71. So on every Sunday you are requesting to take the test, and you will get the analysis of that test on every Wednesday, right? So you are requested to take the test on every Sunday. This mock test has already been conducted on Sunday. We are providing the analysis of that mock test, right? So that's why we explain it in at speed. Okay. Yes, sir. Tell me what would be the answer of this question. A person traveling at a speed of 30 km per hour after 3.6 hours find that he had covered 3 by 5 of the total distance. Find the time taken cover the remaining distance at 24 km per hour. Yes, please. So we have to calculate the remaining distance. See, suppose this is the total distance and we divide it 3 by 4. So this is 3 unit and this is 2 unit, right? So here a person covers some distance at the rate of 30 km per hour in 3.6 hours. It means how much distance he covered? So 30 into 3.6, right? So we will get 0, 3 6 is 18, carry 1. So this is 108 km, right? So this is equal to 3. 3 is equal to this. So how much is equal to 2? So 108 divided by 3 into 2. So 3. So this would be cancelled out. 3 3 is 9, 3 6 is 18. So this would be equal to 72, right? So we have to calculate 72 km at what rate? So this is the distance which we have to cover. The speed is 24 km per hour. So time is equal to distance divided by speed. So the answer would be 3 hours, right? So it will take 3 hours to cover the same distance. So B part is the right answer. This mock test is completely free, right? So you can enjoy this mock test free of cost. Everything is free. Analysis is also free, and we are also having YouTube classes at 4 p.m. on daily basis, right? So you can subscribe the channel Railway Exam by Oliveboard. You will get free material over that, right? This is absolutely free. So moving to the next question. If fraction is a by b, and when 2 is added to the numerator and 3 is added to the denominator, then the fraction become 1 by 2. See, if fraction is a upon b, a by b, when 2 is added to its numerator, it means this will become a plus 2, and 3 is added to its denominator. So the fraction become 1 upon 2. So here we can get the value of a, relation between a and b. So after cross multiply, we will get 2a plus 4 would be equal to b plus 3. So we can say that 2a minus b would be equal to minus 1, right? And another condition, when 1 is subtracted to both numerator and denominator. If we subtract 1 from both numerator and denominator, then the fraction will become 1 by 3, right? So this would be equal to 3a minus 3 and b minus 1. So we can say 3a minus b is equal to 2, right? 3a minus b is equal to 2. So 2a minus b is equal to, so we can subtract first from the second, right? So if we subtract first, so 3a minus b is equal to 2, and 2a minus b is equal to minus 1, minus plus plus, so minus b get cancelled out, plus b, so a would be equal to 3. So the value of a is 3, right? Value of a is 3. So we can put the value of a in any equation. If we put in first equation, we will get the value of b. So 2a, a is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to b. So value of b would be equal to 6 plus 1, 7. So value of b is equal to 7. So then the fraction is 3 by 7 is the right answer. 3 by 7 is the right answer, right? Then find the inverse fraction, right? So the inverse of this would be 7 by 3. So 3 2g 6, 1 by 3. So 2 whole 1 upon 3 is the right answer. So D part is the right answer. 2 whole 1 upon 3 is the right answer. 2 whole 1 upon 3 is the right answer. Okay, so moving to next question. Now tell me what would be the answer of this question. Find the difference between compound interest and simple interest obtained on rupees 1800 after 3 years. So here we can use direct formula. So difference is given by the formula P R square bracket 300 plus R divided by 100 ka cube, right? So we can use this formula here. D is difference between compound interest and simple interest. P stand for principal and R stand for rate. So we have to calculate the difference between on rupees. So principal is 1800 into rate is 20%. So 20 square 20 into 20 bracket 300 plus 20 and divided by 100 into 100 into 100. Now calculate, tell me what would be the right answer. After calculating, see, 0 get cancelled, 0 0 0 0 0 0. So here we will get 18 into 2 into 2 4 into 320 divided by 100. 0 get cancelled, 0. So we have to just multiply 72 into 32 divided by 10, right? So tell me how much this is. So this would be equal to 230.4. So 230.4 is the right answer. 230.4 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you very much, and stay tuned with the Oliveboard channel, Railway Exam by Oliveboard. So I already told you, you will get free mock test on every Sunday, right? So take it and you will get the analysis of that. In Hindi, you will get analysis on Monday, and in English, you will get analysis on Wednesday for each section, right? If you want to prepare for your exam in a very systematic manner, right? If you want to prepare for your exam in a very systematic manner, so you can also go and check out our website, right? This is over here. So go to the course section. So here are the courses, right, for railway. So you will get see, so these are the courses you will get for English medium. Yes, so here is the RRB NTPC 2024 CBT1 and CBT2 crash course, right? So you can get and check it out this, right? So you can enroll for this for a systematic preparation because time is very less. So you will get very good quality material over here. You will get conceptual material. You will get live classes, right? You will get doubt session. You will get each and everything very, very important and quality content, right? So you should not miss this opportunity, right? So you can go and check it out. So this batch is going to be start from the 30th of September. Okay, thank you guys, thank you very much, stay tuned. with this channel. Like and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.